How to hide your Tinder profile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Tinder profile. To do so, first of all, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and this will take you to a new page. In this page, at the top right, you'll be able to locate the settings or the gear icon. Simply tap on this icon and then you will be taken to this page. In the settings page, if you have a Tinder Plus subscription, you can use the incognito mode feature to make your profile invisible to users you haven't already liked. For that, you will need to tap on this Go Incognito option right here and then enable it. But if you do not have a Tinder Plus subscription, then you can simply turn off the discovery feature, which will hide your profile from new users. For that, you will need to scroll down until you find Enable Discovery option. Once you find this option at the right side, you'll be able to locate the toggle button, which is currently turned on. Simply tap on this toggle button and turn it off. After that, a pop-up will appear here. Tap on Disable Discovery at the very bottom. By doing so, you will see you have disabled Discovery option. Now, your profile will be hidden from new users, but you'll still be able to see and chat with your existing matches. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide your profile on Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.